Hi, I'm Natasha Denona and I'm here to show you my new limited edition Love eyeshadow palettes. I have created this soft, dreamy eye makeup look using my new limited edition Love eyeshadow palette. Watch this tutorial to learn how to recreate it step by step. For the first step, I'm using Intense, which is a creamy matte powder formula. It's a medium pink. I'm packing this onto the outer third of the crease, working in circular motions to soften and to blend in. Next, I'm using Valentine, and I want to diffuse the pink slightly more, and we'll try also a little bit to drag this inwards. Now I will take Soul, which is a little bit darker, and I'm going to pack this onto the outer third of the lid. And when I have the whole payoff of the pigment with the residue, I will blend it upwards into the crease. Next, I'm picking up Pure Love. This is a sparkling duochrome that shifts from pinkish and bluish sparkles to purpley sparkles. I'm packing this onto the center lid. And if you're looking for more payoff and a more foiled effect, you can apply the eyeshadow with your finger. For the inner corner, I'm going to use Giving. This is also a multi-chrome eyeshadow. It has these peach pinkish shifts with fuchsia sparkles. And I'm going to press this into the inner corner, like really deeply in with my fingers, so I have maximum payoff of this formula. And I want to tap it upwards because I want these sparkling effects to reach the upper crease, so it will give like a dreamy finish to this beautiful pinkish look. I will use Passion to emphasize the upper lash line. Before applying mascara, I want to show you how to achieve this beautiful sharp finish. So I took a little bit of my eyeshadow base and I'm pressing this really along beside the lower lash line, pressing and dragging out. This will leave a clean, sharp finish to the eyeshadows.